this is Key and welcome to our vlog. So today, as requested, I'm going to be talking about what to pack or the packing essentials when coming to Canada as an international student. Medyo mahihain yata yung boses ko ngayon. So as you can see, I am inside our room, and since may nag-request po na ano daw po yung mga dapat dalhin pag pupunta na dito sa Canada. So disclaimer lang, Canada is my first international flight, and alam ko na mas meron pang mga tao dyan na who knows better on how to pack than me. So based on my experience lang po ito as an international student here in Canada. So that is why I'm going to So that is why I'm telling you what are those essentials that you need to bring during your flight in Canada. So as you all know, di ba alam nyo, there are 2 luggages na free for every international flights, whether I don't know for other aircraft, but basically in almost every planes or aircraft, they do give away 2 free luggages, which are 23 kilograms each or per luggage. So ang ginawa namin ng husband ko, so tagdadalawa kami, 23 kilograms each, and we really maximize po the luggages kasi, you know, we can't get back or go back, we can't go back to the Philippines in case we missed or we forgot something that is very important, lalong-lalo na yung mga documents needed. So ang ginawa namin is maximize talaga namin yung mga luggages namin patungong Canada. So let's start first with our first luggage, which is the big one. Actually guys, it's the same lang yung luggage na binili namin, 2 medium, pero if I were you, better na 2 large or isang medium talaga at isang large, kasi para ma-maximize yung 23 kilograms. Kasi sa amin na happen is 19 lang, mga ganun, 19 or 20, so sayang din yung 3 kilograms, diba? So nasa sa inyo din yun, kasi mahal naman talaga ang luggages, and you will just, you know, since pandemic ngayon, you will just use it once lang siguro in a year, or kami, we don't know kung kailan kami makakauwi ng Pilipinas. So ang ginawa namin guys is hindi talaga kami bumili ng luggages. All we bought are those naka-sale na mga luggages, no? So maging practical tayo. And isa pala guys, ang tip is, I don't know based lang sa experience ko, kasi pagdating namin dito sa Canada, our luggages are tipak-tipak. So basag siya guys. I don't know, siguro natapon-tapon lang nila, no? Pero basically, yun yung nangyayari. So if I were you, na lang kayo, mag-soft luggages if ang flight talaga is sobrang haba. Like for us, I don't know, it's 22 hours, mga ganun ata, or 2 days, hindi ko, nakalimutan ko na. And we do have a layover sa Japan. So yun nga guys, doon na tayo sa, sorry naman sa ating background ng mga winter clothes, winter jackets. So sa ating mga first luggage, the big one. So first luggage natin is, meron pa akong kopya dito guys. And I would like to thank one of the vloggers in YouTube, yung nasa Pilipinas pa ako. She was the one who uploaded how to pack and what are those things that we need to bring here in Canada. So hindi ko na lang sasabihin guys. So baka sabihin niya na gano'n ako dito. Char lang. So sa ating first luggage is the big one. You should have your clothes, your shoes, your towels, your toiletries, and the medicine. So let's talk about the clothes. So we know that Canada is a very cold country. So basically you need, you don't need t-shirts. I mean, you can bring one, like I do have one. Actually, pang ano lang to pang tulog. So you don't need to bring a lot of t-shirts because it's a cold country here, even if spring nga ngayon, lamig-lamig pa. So you might need to bring a lot of jackets, sweaters, sweatshirts, ano pa, hoodies, mga ganun, winter jackets, yan. Basically, yan na mga outfits. Kasi you don't need to buy naman super expensive winter jackets because you can buy here in Canada. We do have thrift stores here that you can buy for like $20 or 30. So, okay na yun. At in my case, wala akong winter jacket. Meron pa. Meron akong winter jackets from my friends in the Philippines. Bigay lang nila lahat yun. And basta marami akong mga long sleeves and jackets because that's the most important thing or clothes that you should bring here in Canada. Kasi nga malamig, super lamig. Lalo na dito sa Alberta na super lamig yung weather dito. So let's talk about, mahaba-haba itong video na guys ha. So towels and toiletries. Yung sa amin is we know that we do have just a limited kilograms in our luggages. So we opted to bring with us our small towel lang. Manipis lang talaga siya. So it's for the both of us. Hindi na bumili or hindi na kami bumili ng other towel for my husband. We just brought with us our very thin talaga na towel para hindi lang din siya mabigat sa luggage namin. And then for the toiletries, of course, hindi din kami bumili ng mga naka-bottle na mga shampoo, conditioners, and whatnot. Ang dinala talaga namin is yung mga sachets lang ng mga shampoos and conditioners. Kasi para hindi na din siya lalong bibigat yung luggage. So, tip yan guys. So, for the medicine, yung sa mga medicine naman, I don't know if my prescriptions kayo, prescribed drugs or medicines, you should bring with you your prescription. Kasi baka hingan kayo or hingan kayo talaga for prescription drugs kasi bawal yung magdala ng mga walang prescription, right? So dito, since of course you're away from the Philippines and lalo na ngayon before ka makarating dito sa house mo or sa dito sa Canada, you need to stay for 3 days in a hotel. And we are very glad na hindi na kami umabot kasi ang gastos mahal. And may mga swab test pa, ganun. So, luckily, wala na kaming ganun. So, pili kayo guys or magdala kayo ng Biogesic, Neozep, Diatobs. What else? What else did we bring? Kasi mahiluhin din ako. So, ano ba yun? I forgot. Diatobs and yung panghilo. Basta yun. Dinala ko din yun. So, we brought with us a lot of medicines, guys. Ang sa Biogesic is 4 tubs. Kasi hindi talaga ako hindi ako nagme-medicine, hindi ako na-take ng medicine. If talaga, hindi ko na kaya yung sakit sa ulo, so nagba-Biogesic ako and it works for me. So, might as well bring a lot of medicines kasi kailangan niyan and hindi kayo makakalabas, diba? Say for example, nagkaroon ka ng sipon or whatever during the flight, after nasa hotel na kayo. So, hindi na kayo mag-telephone sa you might want to have a online delivery for a medicine. So, mas tipid din, diba? So, let's go to our second luggage. So, sa second luggage, basically guys, sa mga ibang students na nasa group namin, they really brought with them foods. Pero sa amin, in our case, hindi na kami talaga ng food kasi mabigat na din siya sa luggage. And luckily that yung landlord namin is yung sinabi ko sa kanila na we might need or ask them to go to grocery for us, for our food. So, napakabait talaga ng aming landlord. So, pinag-grocery nila kami. And yun, so we are thankful na hindi na kami lalabas or nag-online delivery, which would cost us more. So yun, mas okay na yun. So pero dun sa mga talagang tao na hindi, may mga food cravings or may hindi talaga pwedeng makalimutan or hindi madalang or may favorite food kayo. So might as well you bring it na lang, pero make sure na wala siya dun sa mga bawal na mga foods like mga frozen. Basta check nyo na rin sa cic.gc.ca for the laws or the rules regarding food, and of course yung sa aircraft din yun na mga regulations. So mag-research kayo guys. And for the utensils, knowing that you might end up to a hotel during the pandemic, di ba, mag-hotel, lalo na dito sa Canada, you would stay, sabi ko nga, 3 days sa hotel, so might as well you bring your own utensils, yung mga, ano nyo, at iba't iba pa na you might need, or after 3 days, you might transfer na to your rented house or apartment or room. So might as well meron na kayong own nyo na utensils na hindi na kayo magpapabili kasi naka-quarantine pa nga kayo, di ba? So yun, for your school supplies, for me, I actually, yung dinala ko lang is yung mga old ball pens, old notebooks ko, and what else? Basta mga old lahat. Hindi ako bumili ng mga new stuff or new school supplies. May nadala pa nga akong nasa bangko pa. Kinawat mo dyan. So may dinala pa ako from the bank. Oh no! Or the red one. I don't know who owns that one. So yun nga. Pero kung gusto nyo talagang bumili ng mga school supplies, pwede din kayong magdala kung meron pa kayong extra space in your luggage. Pero for me, hindi na talaga. Yung mga old lang. And then, meron naman kasi dito na bibili ng mga Dollarama, ng mga dollar stores. So, mas okay, mas same lang naman din yung mga prices. Like, $1 is 37 or 38 in the Philippines. So, di ba? Parang same lang din. So, for your second luggage is you might have you might bring your winter kasi talaga your winter accessories, right? So kasi you might bring a lot of bonnets kasi dito nga dahil sa napakalamig dito, minsan okay na yung head mo pero dito mo sa mga ears mo nagsa-start na siyang maglamig. So well, ayaw natin winter frost. Ano ba yun? Tawag doon? Nakalimutan to. Frostbite. Ayaw natin magka-frostbite. So, mga bonnets, mga scarves, and gloves. Yun guys. Kung meron na kayo, bring that if you don't have. So, okay lang naman. May mga thrift store dito. Sabi ko nga kanina. So, mas cheaper na rin. So, okay. Pero kung meron na kayo, at least you don't need to buy a new one. So, dalhin nyo na lang. And of course, let's go now to our carry-on baggages. Carry-on luggages. Baggages. Carry-ons. So basically, yung dinala namin for our carry-on is since guys, alam niyo naman kami mga babae, tayo mga babae, we do have a lot of clothes. So ang sabi ko, ano ba yung okay na ba na dalawa rin yung carry-on? So, ang na-happen doon is, since hindi na ako bumili ng yung small na luggage or the carry-on bag, hindi ako na bumili noon. So, ang ginawa ko is, si boss, may gym bag siya and it is so big. And I've searched sa aircraft na mga rules, it's okay to bring that one. So, ang ginawa ko guys, nilagay ko talaga yung mga winter ko or mga shoes ko doon kasi hindi na magkasya sa aking luggage kasi nga medium, di ba, yung binili ko, so hindi siya na-maximize. So, kung may extra kayo, pwede din naman yung my personal bag and then your luggage, the small one or your carry-on. And yung mga laman niyan is dapat may change of clothes, especially for those na may layover. Syempre, you might need your panties and your t-shirts, sweatshirts, jackets, and whatnot. Dapat meron yun kasi ayaw natin guys na mabaho tayo during the flight, right? And of course, you should bring your earphones sa mga music lovers or para hindi kayo bored sa flight. And the ball pen because you might need that one for, answering the immigration forms and documents. So, dapat talaga may ball pen, guys. Lalo na ngayon, may mga hindi talaga nagpapahiram ng ball pens nila kasi, pandemic. And the toiletries, of course, you should bring your toothbrush, your toothpaste. Pero guys, dapat maliit lang. Alam nyo na yan sa mga nag-trip, nag-travel dyan. Dapat hindi siya ma-exceed ng 100 ml ba yun per liquid or whatever. Comment na lang down below kung tama yung pinagsasabi ko. So, toiletries, para at least naman pag layover nyo, toothbrush kayo. And then, your personal hygiene na mga things na kaya lang i-carry for the sa inyong carry-on luggage. And then your gadgets as well, kasi bawal at may mga electronics doon sa loob. I don't know, kasi tinanong kami may mga gadgets ba sa aming sa luggage namin. Sabi namin wala. So I don't know if it's bawal or not. Comment down below. So we also brought with us our power banks. It's very important, right? So ayun na namang mapatayan kayo ng mga cell phones or in your flight, and especially during immigration. Napaka-strict ngayon, diba? Kasi non-essentials are not allowed. Non-essential travels are not allowed. So, baka nasa store lang nyo sa phone yung mga important documents that the immigration officer would ask you. So, at least ready kayo. So, dapat may power bank. And of course, wallet for your cash. Ang ginawa namin, guys, iniba namin yung ang dala ni boss is a personal bag, and then yung gym bag, and then meron din siyang belt bag. Yung belt bag is doon nakastore ang mga passports and our cash. Talagang may nilagay kami parang malaking wallet, and then na-store din namin yung doon namin nilagay yung mga money namin para at least pag sa immigration if they would ask us how much did we bring, so at least makakount din namin yung money, which is tinanong talaga sa amin, how much did we bring from the Philippines. So ganun. So naka-separate yung cash, naka-separate yung passport, bangko, passport inside the belt bag of my hubby. And then the next one is documents, of course. Dapat nasa personal bag nyo na yon, kasi at least ready na kayo for immigration na mga interrogations, questions, and whatnot. Kasi it's very strict na ngayon. Meron nga mga international students na hindi binapasok because or matagal na nakapasok sa boarding kasi nga ang daming mga documents na hiningi. So for us, we usually had dinala talaga namin yung isang folder namin, isang folder para sa akin, isang folder din para kay boss. Tapos nilagay din namin lahat ng mga important documents, our marriage contract, kasi nga yung family name, hindi pa ako nag-change ng family name ko in the Philippines, so I don't have any documents na segundo na yung family name. So ako, nag-secure talaga kami ng marriage contract kasi di ba we landed as students, so open work permit naman ang hobby ko. So ang papali pa rin lang sana talaga during this pandemic is yung student lang, and napaka-strict nila at meticulous sila for the OWP. So ayun, dapat as in maano mo talaga sa kanila nga dependent mo yung kasama mo. So ang ginawa namin is yun nga, yung isang folder, lahat ng mga documents, important documents from the Canada documents, yung mga sa school, your letter of introductions, your certificate of enrollment, the ano ba yun? Ay, nawala ko. yung mga, what do you call that? Tuition receipts, dapat yun meron. At saka, basta all the things or the important documents that you think the immigration officer would also ask. At lalo na din doon sa sa mga aircraft, sa PAL kami. PAL pa kami. Sa PAL kami, so ang dami ding hiningi, ang dami talaga. So we waited like 10 minutes para papasukin kami. So, after that, sa immigration na naman, basta ang dami talaga. So, be prepared for all your documents and for all of the things that napakahingin sa inyo. So, guys, that will be all for today. So, I hope you enjoyed that. And sa insert ko na rin or ko na rin na if you do have your luggages, so you might as well para maging unique din siya, di ba? Ang dami-daming mga common or the same na mga luggages, so you might as well, sa akin nilagay ko, sasabi din ng isang YouTuber is maglagay ng ribbons outside the bag para at least pagkitang-kita mo na talaga na it's your bag, so hindi ka na magka-interchange or whatnot. So better na gawin nyo na yon. Naglagay ako ng ribbons sa luggages namin. So, ayun. So, naging smooth lahat. And, above all, guys, you should pray always before and after. Ang ginawa namin talaga before we went to Canada, na-pray talaga kami kasi we don't know if makakasakay kami because pandemic nga, very strict yung policies when it comes to travel. And then, afterwards, naging smooth naman lahat-lahat. We thank God also, we praise Him for nandito na kami sa Canada. Naging smooth lang aming travel. Kaso lang, yun yung days na nawala din aking father. So, I will be talking about that sa next video naman. So, I hope guys, you've learned a lot from me. Disclaimer, that was just based on my experiences, and iba-iba naman tayo guys as a person or as an individual kung paano natin i-pack yung luggages natin. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you do like and subscribe para next vlog is updated kayo sa mga new uploads ko. Thank you, bye!